After the recent Galaxy S23 Ultra renders leaked, it was only a matter of time before the smaller model joined in on the fun. The Galaxy S23 Plus is now next in line to get revealed through what seems to be a collection of official leaked press renders, and the phone looks better than ever. Same as with the Galaxy S23 Ultra leaked renders, the new render gallery you can see the Plus model in 4 color options: Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Botanic Green, and Misty Lilac. It is uncertain if the names mentioned are the official ones, but they appear to be accurate. The source of this information is from New Mobile. Unlike the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Plus model has a less note-like design, featuring a flat display and back panel, as well as a slightly curved frame and rounder corners. The Galaxy S23 Plus has 3 rear-facing cameras that aren't enclosed in a traditional camera hump. Each shooter protrudes from the back panel and lends a minimalistic design to the whole device. And again, the wallpapers feature planetoid-like objects and indicate that the Galaxy S23 series made strides in astrophotography and nighttime photography. In addition to the fact that the S23 Plus is larger and more expensive than the S23, we know remarkably little about the other differences. There are currently rumors that this is the last Plus model, although nothing is certain yet. We first wait for its launch, and that should happen on Wednesday, 1 February. If you're eager to get your hands on the Galaxy S23 Plus or a different model, Samsung will unveil the series on February 1. The company already started accepting reservations, and if you sign up early, you can benefit from $50 in Samsung credit. Are you going to reserve one for yourself? Reservation link is in the description box. What do you think about the design of the S23 Plus? Comment down below. As always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next video. Peace out.